name of the story is Unity is Strength. Once upon a time, in a village, there lived a farmer. That farmer had 3 sons. They were always quarreling with one another. The farmer tried his level best to bring them to the right path, but they never listened to the farmer and heed his advice. So the farmer felt very worried, and he thought to himself,
How am I going to convince them that if they keep on quarreling, the others would take advantage of them? They have to be together.
One day, he thought of an idea. He called his sons and asked them to bring a few sticks. All 3 sons went around and brought some wooden sticks with them. When they brought those sticks, he tied them into one bundle, and he gave that bundle to each of the sons. He gave it to the first son and said,
My son, try all your strength and try to break it. Can you do it? Let me see.
First son said to his father,
Oh, father, it is such a simple task. I will break that in 1 minute. You see?
Farmer just smiled away. This first son tried all his strength and power to break the bundle of sticks. But he could not break it at all. Being tired, he gave that bundle back to the farmer. Now, the farmer went to the second son and said,
Son, can you try to break the bundle now?
The son said to his father,
Oh, father, this is so easy. I will break this bundle in just a moment.
Farmer smiled again, and he watched as his second son struggled to break the bundle into pieces. After a while, when the second son realized that he could not break the bundle, he gave it back to the farmer. Now it was time for the third son. Farmer went to his third son and said,
Oh son, can you take a shot at breaking this bundle? Your other 2 brothers could not break it.
The third son said to his father,
Oh, father, it is so obvious. They could not break it because they are weak. I am so strong. I will break that bundle in a snap of a second.
Farmer smiled again. And as he watched the third son again struggling to break the bundle, he realized that his message is going to get across soon. As the third son could not break the bundle, he gave the bundle back to his father. Now, this time, father broke the bundle and gave 1 stick each to those 3 sons and said,
Okay, you tried the bundle. Now can you break the stick?
And before even he finished his sentence, all 3 sons of the farmer broke the stick immediately. Farmer looked at all 3 sons. By now, even all 3 of them realized what their father was telling them. They realized that if they keep on quarreling, they will be not united, and anybody can break them and take advantage of them. But if they unite and work together, they will be so strong like bundle of the sticks that nobody can break their unity and they will always prosper. The moral of the story is be united and you will emerge as unbreakable.